First off, this moment is not just mine. It's a team. It's a team thing. We all played well. We all played hard. Individually, I haven't been playing well the last few games. I don't know what's been discussed by the players in the media and the fans, but I don't discuss in-house issues. But the team had some issues in-house, and we've been working through it. And right now, this is like a stepping stone for us. We're moving forward. We're only looking forward, not looking back. And we got 9 games left, and we plan on making the playoffs this year. So
no sabe que se ha dicho en el medio, que puede acercar su juego, que se enfoca en el hecho de que hay 9 partidos por lugar para poder estar en los playoffs y que ellos van a enfocarse un poco más adelante en su juego para pelear por los playoffs. Así, Pablo.